I'm going to be doing a quick review on this blender, and to review this blender, I'll be making a smoothie. So I'm just basically adding my ice, my apples, my fruit, and everything. The blender, it measures in cups, liters, and ounces. So right now I'm just adding in my kale and now my coconut water. And also I'm going to add in my blue, I don't know how to say it, blue spinella. I'm not sure how to say it, but it's going to basically turn my smoothie blue, and it has a lot of nutrients as well, you guys. So my kids are going to love this color blue. That's basically who I'm making it for. It has a little top up there to keep stuff from splashing out and where you can drop stuff in while it's blending. And as you can see, as soon as I press the button, it's blending just like that. Very easy. And also I got these cups for my kids. They have straws in them, and they also have measurements on them. And here's just another view of the blender.